Long press intercom button and function button at the same time for 3 seconds. Turn on cell phone Bluetooth. You will find Fodsports M1-S Pro created. The pairing is complete. Voice message will notice device connected. When device is on, long press function button for 3 seconds. To enter pairing mode, red and blue lights flash quickly. Voice notice pairing. Then long press intercom button to enter search mode. Red and blue lights flash slowly. Voice message says searching. Search mode only used for intercom function connection between M1-S Pro. When A and B change from flashing red and blue lights, alternately to function and intercom buttons flashing blue lights at the same time, connect successfully.
Hey guys, welcome to the Fodsports channel. I'm Jimmy.
Call ended. Short press function button. Long press function button for 2 seconds. While in standby, press and hold the intercom button, volume plus and minus button at the same time for 3 seconds. Short press function button. Short press volume plus button twice. Long press volume minus button 2 seconds. Long press volume plus button 2 seconds. Short press function button once. Dial 10086. Long press function button and volume minus button at the same time for 3 seconds. When device is on, press function and volume plus buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. The red and blue lights flash at the same time, clearing memory completely.